Good morning, children. Good morning, everybody. Let us welcome back to our social class. Okay, you already know the chapter is the struggle for independence, and you learned that about the great leaders. Okay, who approached different methods after what is happened after the revolt of 1857, what are the changes took in place in the society, and even you learnt about very good social reformers and literary reformers. And even last time we not discussed that much about the literary reformation, means the people who chose the literary reformation. Okay, they are like, who are those leaders, children? Already you know the social reformers are Rajaram Mohan Rai, Swami Vivekananda, and you answered, Nishita? Yes, you are good. Ramabai Ranade, Kandapuri Vereshalingam. Fine. You all remembered, no? Very good. Good children. And even literary reformation, I told the names also, no children? Yeah, you tell Viksha. Who are the literary reformers? Fine. You gave only 2 names. You did not remember other persons. Okay. Next we will pass the question to others. Okay. Sanjay, you say. Okay. So you all not remember that much about these leaders. Why? Because we did not discuss about them in a detailed manner. So now we will discuss. The literary reformation. The literary reformers are Dinabandhu Mitra. No. And next we discussed about Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. And next Rabindranath Tagore. Subramanya Bharati. And after him, whom we have? Yes, Raghupati Venkatratnam Naidu. Okay, so I'll tell about each and every person how great they are. Okay, when they took birth, when they died, and what they did, how famous they are. Okay? Yes. See the pictures of those leaders. I'll explain about them. Dinabandhu Mitra, children, he was born in 1830 in Bengal. He was a dramatist and died in 1st November 1873, and he is famous in writing 5 languages, children. And the most popular one is the Indigo Mirror, which shows the indigo incident which took place, indigo crop in Bihar. Okay, next Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, the famous person who wrote Vande Mataram song, and he was an Indian novelist, poet and journalist, born on 27 June 1838. Nehati, Kolkata, and died on 8 April 1894, Kolkata. Okay, he also called as Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Okay, next Rabindranath Tagore, children. His pen name was Bhanu Singha Tagore, and Gandhiji given title him like Vishwakavi. He started Shantiniketan in West Bengal. Now it is called as Vishwa Bharati. On 23rd December 1921 he started it, children. He is a great poet, musician, artist and Ayurveda researcher. He born on 7th May 1861 in Kolkata and died on 7th August 1941. He got Nobel Prize in 1913 for his literature Geetanjali. Okay, and we discuss now about Subramanya Bharati. He is also called Chinnaswamy Subramanya Bharati, and he was a Tamil writer, poet, journalist, social reformer. Born on 11th December 1882, Tamil Nadu, and died on 12th September 1921. He was popularly known as Mahakavi Bharati. And finally, we'll discuss about Raghupati Venkatratnam Naidu. He written in more languages, children. He is a writer, and even he written in Spanish also. He was born on 15th October 1869 and died on 15th March 1941. So you all are clear about these leaders, children. No? Even we will celebrate 12th Jan as a National Youth Day. Why? Because it is Swami Vivekananda's birthday. Okay. Next, we will discuss about rise of Indian National Congress. What is rise of Indian National Congress? INC, Indian National Congress. Indian National Congress. See here, already we learnt in the society to get the changes, social reformers came. In a social way, we got the change. Literary, some people tried with their literature works to make the society. And here, even politically also changes to children. What is political change? This is nothing but a political movement started. That is Indian National Congress. Indian National Congress formed in 1885, children. Okay, what is a political party? You know what is a political party? You know political parties like during elections, the people who come to your house and who will go for campaignings. Okay, these all you know. But here, actually, a political party means like a political party is a group of people who come together to reach the goals and the aims and make the society with the name of a government. Okay, it wants to get the changes in the society, okay, by approaching the government. That is called political party. Okay, children. And here, this INC, Indian National Congress, formed in 1885. The main founder of the Indian National Congress are many leaders behind that. We can discuss like about Dadabhai Nauroji and Anne Besant. Okay. Still after that Nehru, many members they worked for this party. You know, many parties we have now. TRS, we have BJP, many parties. But among these all the parties, the first party is Indian National Congress. Congress party is the first party, children. Okay, and it is started in 1885, December 28, in the first meeting held at Bombay for 3 days, children. This meeting was conducted for 3 days. That is from 28th December to 31st December. Okay, got it? What is it? Which is the first party in the country? Yes, you are right, Congress party. And here we have many community leaders. Who are those community leaders? Means already we discussed about the social reformers and literary reformers. Now we have community leaders, children. Community leaders are like, I'll tell you, like Dadabhai Nauroji, Rahmatullah Siani. I'll write here. Rahmatullah Siani. Okay. Badruddin Tayebji. Dadabhai Nauroji. Feroz Shah Mehta. Okay, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. These all are the leaders. Still we have many leaders, children. Timely I am giving these names. These all are the community leaders who were in Indian National Congress. Okay, and what they did, you know, children, these community leaders all together, okay, they actually they want to approach in a different method, like starting a political party which they named as Indian National Congress. Even you can say it is founded by the leaders like Anne Besant and next Dadabhai Nauroji. And next here you can see these Congress leaders who are in the National Congress Party. These Congress leaders till 1905, till when children? Till 1905, they did not challenge the British government directly. So all the people of the country, they thought that these Congress leaders are very weak. Okay, they were weak and inefficient leaders. They cannot do anything. They do nothing for the society. But they have a perfect plan how to approach and how to tackle the Britishers, what to do. So Indian National Congress is the first step which is taken by the people after the revolt of 1857 to form a complete organization. We discussed that because of a poor organization, lack of national leaders, we lost, means we failed in the revolt of 1857. No children? So here we have the national leaders who are very capable and enough knowledge and powerful leaders who are there in the Indian National Congress. So these all the leaders like Perusha Mehta, Gopalakrishna Gokhale, Surendranath Banerjee, Badruddin Tayebji, Rahmatullah Shani, these all the members, they were the main leaders of the Indian National Congress, children. See, for example, even in the school also we have a election process and we'll elect a few members like a literary head girl, no, and sports head girl, head boy, literary head girl, head boy. Next we'll take a school head girl and a head boy. No children? So here also means who is capable will select and will make as a party. They have to run all the works in the school. Here also these main people were the leaders who were there in the Indian National Congress. So after revolt of 1857, the first party is formed by Indians is Indian National Congress, and the leaders are like this. And till 1905 they did not tackle with the Britishers face to face, and after that they slowly started giving troubles to the Britishers. Yes, obviously we have to give trouble. Why not? No, because they are troubling us. Till that time they ruled us very rudely. Okay, many members were killed in the hands of Britishers. They hanged many people. No, they troubled many members. No children. So here we'll see that even here we can discuss about Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad and Subhash Chandra Bose. These are the members who were first in the Indian National Congress. And when Maulana Abul Kalam Azad he took backward step, then in 1939 the leader, who is the leader, Nehruji, came as a Prime Minister to the Indian National Congress. Okay children, he came to the power in the Indian National Congress. Even his daughter Indira Gandhi also worked for the Indian National Congress. And how we learned about these all the leaders, you want to know the biography of these leaders also children, political leaders. You are clear about social reformers and their backgrounds. You are clear about literary reformers and their backgrounds. Here now we'll discuss the backgrounds of this, means the biography of these leaders. Okay, yeah, you can see the pics of those leaders. I'll tell about that. Rahmatullah Shani. He born in 1847, died in 1902. He is the President of Indian National Congress for a term in 1896. He belongs to Muslim community. Next we will discuss about Badruddin Tayebji, children. He born on 10 October 1844 and died in August 1906. He was a barrister of High Court of Bombay and served as third President of Indian National Congress. Next, Dadabhai Nauroji, born on 4th September 1825, died on 30th June 1917. He also called Grand Old Man of India and was an Indian Parsi scholar, children, and is also a politician. He is also founder of INC, Indian National Congress. Next, Feroz Shah Mehta. He is an Indian Parsi politician and lawyer from Bombay. He born on 4th August and died on 5th November 1915 children. Next, Gopalakrishna Gokhale. He was a senior leader of the Indian National Congress and founder of the Servants of Indian Society. He was born on 9th May 1866 and died on 19th February 1950. And next we will discuss about Surendranath Banerjee. He is an Indian politician born on 10th November 1848 and died on 6th August 1925. Okay, you are clear about these all the leaders, no children? Yes, these leaders, they believed that the change in the society will get with the fighting with the Britishers. Okay, so that fighting means not directly fight, children. We have to do something. Okay, to fight means to stand with complete power to face the Britishers. Okay, even you also, if someone's fight with you, will you keep quiet? You will take your brothers. If the situation in the school, you will call your brothers, okay, and you will fight with them. So you want to get more energy. In the same way here, the different leaders from different methods, they approach where they are, in which angle they are perfect. Like we can see social reformation, like social reformers, the great social reformers like Rajaram Mohan Rai, Kandapuri Veerashalingam, Swami Vivekananda, Ramabai Ranade, still many other leaders, they worked for the society. And like if you take a literary reformation, Dinabandhu Mitra, Subramanya Bharati, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, with this Vande Mataram, and Janaganamana stands for unity of the people, children, unity of the country. So we learned that lack of unity was one of the cause for failure of the revolt of 1857. So they want to inspire the people with their great songs like Janaganamana and Vande Mataram to feel the unity among ourselves. Okay. And next, still the leaders like we have even from our Telugu states also, like Raghupati Venkatratnam Naidu. No, like many leaders, they approached literary methods and they made the country to, what to do? Yes, to educate themselves. Okay. Finally, when political change, that political movement is Indian National Congress. They started a party that is Indian National Congress. And here the leaders are like Rahmatullah Siani, Badruddin Tayebji, and still Dadabhai Nauroji, Gopalakrishna Gokhale, many leaders. Okay, and even we learned that Anne Besant, Nehru, Indira Gandhi, like Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, these all the members, they worked for the Indian National Congress. And after 1905, they faced the Britishers directly. Till that time, they did not challenge that much. Okay, and finally they given demands to the Britishers through this Indian National Congress. Okay, what are those demands? We'll learn in the next period, children. Okay, understood? Thank you. Have a nice day.